straight away to the second question. So question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Yeah, question number 2, high school mathematics, junior school, and of course high school, mathematics. So we are told here to solve the equation, to solve the equation 3 raised to 1 minus 2x plus 4 equals 5. So this one, I'm the one who is doing it. No present here for doing this. This is Mwalimu who is going to do this. So solution. So what kind of an equation is this? This is an equation with an exponent. It's called an exponential equation. Why is it an exponential equation? It's because we happen to be having at least one of the unknowns being part of the power. You know, this is power. So one of the unknowns, that is what here? X is part of the power. So there are 2 ways we can use to get this right. The easiest way, let's put like terms together. So let's take this 4 to the other side. Here it's a positive number. On crossing over, it becomes minus. When it crosses over, it becomes minus. So it will be 3 raised to 1 minus 2x equals 5 minus 4. You can see it was positive. On the other side, it becomes what here? Negative. So if I proceed further with this, it will be 3 raised to 1 minus 2x equals positive 1. Equals positive 1. Yeah, thank you so much, Njeri. We shall be able to do that. Njeri must be a very good student. We shall be able to do that. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in mathematics, any value raised to power 0, any value or a number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. So if you see 100 raised to 0, this will be 1. If you see even a letter raised to 0, any number raised to 0 will always be equal to what here? To 1. Why am I bringing up this concept? Because I would want the bases here. You know, this is called a base. In exponents, we call this a base. So I would want these bases to be the same. And the easiest base to craft here, to make this base 3, it will be this one. So basically, what I will come and do, this one can be written as follows. 1 can be the same as 3 raised to power what here? To power 0. 1 is exactly equal to 3 raised to power 0. Are we together? Somebody ascertains this, that 1 will be exactly 3 raised to power 0. Please comment there. Yeah, thank you so much. So then I can come and write this. So it will be 3 raised to 1 minus 2x equals 3 raised to power 0. Equals 3 raised to power 0. And then if that is the case, the bases here, because they are equal, the bases can cancel. The bases will be cancelled out. The bases, these bases will be cancelled out. So in this case here, we have here 3 and 3 cancelling out. So then if that is the case, what are we able to see pretty fast here? What are we able to see pretty fast here? What we are able to see pretty fast is that now this will be equal to 0. So we are saying here that therefore 1 minus 2x equals 0. 1 minus 2x equals 0. All right. Then please go ahead and make x the subject of the formula. Go ahead and make x the subject of the formula. So if we make x the subject of the formula to be left on the left side alone, it will be minus 2x equals, this one is positive. On crossing over, it changes. So it becomes minus 1. So meaning that x will be minus 1 over minus 2 if we divide by minus 2 both sides. Negative and negative will cancel out. 1 over 2 is the same as 0. What here, somebody? 1 over 2 is the same as 0.5. 1 over 2 is the same as 0.5. 1 over 2 is the same as 0.5. Thank you so much. 1 over 2 is the same as 0.5. So please don't forget our phone number for the students who would want to talk to us about being busy over this holiday. This holiday, you need to be very, very busy. This holiday, you need to be very, very busy with online tuitions where you study from home using our content, that is the RCM Online College. So if you are here and you would want to talk to us regarding our holiday program, that is quite affordable, simply reach to us through this WhatsApp number. And of course, anybody who is following me on YouTube, because this is live on YouTube, I expect you to subscribe. I also expect you to take that link and share it with your classmates, with your friends. Take a link and send it to your classmates. That is how you become a true friend,